Malinaw sa ICC charge sheet dated September 22, 2025 that these killings were not isolated acts. They were committed pursuant to a state policy of neutralization through violence. From 2013 to 2016, sa Davao City, habang Mayor si Duterte, 19 victims were murdered in incidents linked to the Davao Death Squad. Pagdating ng 2016 to 2017, sa kanyang unang taon bilang Pangulo, 14 so-called high-value targets were killed across the country. At sa 2016 hanggang 2018, 43 murders and 2 attempted murders took place, bringing the total to 45 victims. All in all, 76 victims from 2013 to 2018 formed the basis of 3 counts of murder and attempted murder before the ICC. Sabi mismo ng ICC prosecutor, the true scale of victimization is far greater than 76. Sa ilalim din ng principle of command responsibility, leaders cannot wash their hands when Duterte, as mayor and then as president, issued orders that encouraged or directed killings. Liability attaches not just to the triggerman, but to the commander who enabled and tolerated the violence. This is why the ICC cites him not only for indirect co-perpetration, but also for ordering, inducing, aiding, and abetting murders committed under his authority. Kahit umatras ang Pilipinas sa Rome Statute noong 2019, ICC retains jurisdiction over crimes committed from November 1, 2011 to March 16, 2019. In a unanimous decision, the jurisdiction of the ICC was affirmed by no less than our own Supreme Court in Pangilinan versus Cayetano. Agyamanak, Attorney Dino De Leon po, and this is Bite Size Batas.